Check this out. This just rolled in. It's a 1971 Cutlass. Believe it or not, it's a numbers matching 350, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, front disc, beautiful paint, custom wheels. If you don't like the wheels, you can go back to stock wheels without a problem. Beautiful car. Interior is like brand new. Look at that. Beautiful interior, factory radio, custom CD player with an iPod hookup in the dash. Really nice, restored 1971, all new chrome bumpers. Runs and drives great. The 350 sounds great. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Beautiful 71 Cutlass.